Welcome to Math 2311 for engineers. This is exam 2, problem number 2. In this problem, they go ahead and they give you the following equation, and they want you to go ahead and solve for the slope of the tangent line at this point implicitly. So, explicitly would just be y equals something all in terms of x, and we could derive and simply plug in an x value. Implicitly just means that your x's and y's are kind of scrambled together. So now we can go ahead and derive like normal, but every time you derive a y, you'll have to tack on either a dy dx or a y prime. They mean the same thing. But it's just because we don't know what the rate of change of y is with respect to x. So we can't just assume that's going to be 1. So we have to put that new variable dy dx there. So if we take the derivative, this will just be a product rule, because it's x times y, two different things. So it would be first times the derivative of the second. The derivative of y goes to 1, and then you have to tack on a y prime. Note that y doesn't just transform into y prime. Y actually goes to 1, then we tack on a y prime. So this is first, derivative of second, plus second, and the derivative of x just goes to 1. Then you copy down the equal sign. The derivative of y cubed is going to be 3y squared times y prime, just a normal power rule, and you tack on the y prime. And then finally, the derivative of 2x is just going to give you a minus 2, and the derivative of 5 will give you a 0. So there's our derivative. Now we want to know what y prime is, because that's the slope of the tangent line at this point. So that means we can just go ahead and plug 2 in for x and 1 in for y. So this is going to give you 2y prime plus 1 equals, and when you plug 1 into here, this is just going to give you a 3y prime minus 2. So then you can go ahead and subtract the 2y prime over here and add the 2 over here. So that's going to give you 3 on this side and a y prime on this side. So therefore, your slope must be equal to 3 at the point 2, 1 for the following curve. And that's your final solution.